hu owia yi asese mfumso bi a efiri otumfo anim
mfumso
verse 6
oh god
wama nkwasiafo so bebre
Jesus
ni adefo atintim fam verse 7 ma hunu nkwa watete aponko so any adehia one nam fam senkoa.
God bless you. Problem. The version be an was say there is an evil I have seen under the sun. The sort of error that arises from a ruler.
Yes.
Verse 6 say fools are put in many high positions while the rich occupy the low ones. Verse 7 I have seen the slaves on the horse's back while princes go on foot like slaves. That's another demper.
Verse 7 another version will say I've seen servants upon horses and princes walking as servants upon the earth.
God bless you. Reverend, my team say this error must be collected. Yes. This error must be corrected. Your coach school no say we be a collection. Which one, Madam Chum? Can I say church there be? And then I will work back. What's my trying to say 10 times? One to say or say, and now Madam Behu say, what collect them?
Someone mark you.
Yes. And I did be born home by a seller and me collect you know. Uncle Coso, on to us. Oh, I had day out. What 10 times?
It's a sa.
Yes.
Sawa how now honor.
Reverend, we see Madam Bia half a cry or battle. We pay a person who are there. Madam Bia, I say okay. Yeah, that be who say or tro or my can side. That should be up to us. Yes, or my half.
Me teacher need be also being excellence. One man, why you do to say them a baby shady or be a good.
Yes. Opasa who say question now we are I complete.
Ne time you say bakunya very good yes one.
God bless you.
When you are very good yes one.
Oh, you excellent to cry.
Daddy. Why you yes we the one be what share fact woman good.
Reverend, this error must be connected. Who call practical simon. You are different receipt. Receipt no you will duplicate do or the carbon paper be shown film. We are true original one. To you feel man, the was saying the friend said duplicate. Well, Cotar, they are not near 10 of the amount. Mamma, yes, to run, no far, there was saying for reference. Whether what me shall be, the entire American message when they say Ruba counseling. Whether nobleman more than 45 years. Me mana quantre. Me mana quantre. Are they all cotton from man and find out the man 9 cities? I say, Papa, I just said next week. Also, who's a noble when you saw Reverend. I carry a sending, you know, the stretcher.
It's in a no who the one cabin who the son come.
Minim say, what said that? Oh, somebody. Did you know or the bad or say, Papa? And you are crying the bus school fees. You are buying a back at him, say, the man 2 million for man. Now, Papa, the warrior, no one way up can and road. But no stretcher. Natalia Shannon, the formula before when you may when the personality by Shannon come.
This error must be corrected.
This error must be collected. To be to me shall be. Or shall I say, no, it's a million 20 million. You can only 2 million. Me say, what original say duplicate. Who now because original receipt or duplicate? No, that be ne originality no. I you should have pan. Ya dane amakwa. This error must be collected.
This error must be corrected.
We shall be dinner abaye buama. Who na we shena obaka say ebia nikuru ka wa de man no wa to them. Ebia no senior ma. But obaka no comfort 3 years. Na be ma bia mpo emi the life ma no na se shawale mpo.
Tibia wa timu yes. Na who face
ya no dance bia wa bo.
For me kura
no top be a siso. Mpabo be odina so. Bag be a sele ko ho. Perfume be good ho. But for the last part 2 years in it, maybe I can't say me powder.
This error must be corrected.
Along your duplicate. No, originally it no ya dia mo bi. I say at the bonnet the evil I say there is an evil I have seen under the sun. At the bonnet am who we are seeing mo say. Na say hello I say Onyankopon ayam to so. O say at the bonnet do ho am who we are see.
sɛ mfomsoɔ bi a ɛfiri ɔtumfoɔ ani
yɛka ɔtumfoɔ a wɔyɛ onyankopɔn asɛm na wɔka no solomon ɛkasa no
ɔhuni sɛ ɛfiri ɔtumfoɔ ani
sɛ onyankopɔn ayɛ mistake ayɛ mfomsoɔ sɛ wɔma adeseɛ nam fam na nkoa te sɛ apɔnkɔ so robert meka kyerɛ 100% sɛ ɛnɛ wiasefoɔ ho tɔɔ mo kyɛ kristofoɔ.
Jesus Christ,
the Christians are struggling.
This error must be corrected.
Yes,
it's just a damage.
Because a basa. O share car bi ba alcohol drinks, alcohol wines guma ye koton.
Wo pede crusade.
Kazi gatu zakita ya taraba. Problem. Papa won na say me mo nsa bia bi ensa bia alcohol. Omo ye promotion abontena. Emfidi o ma hye. Nkane bi pa me pa kan bible awa abonten ay crusade me ne kane ne bi.
So system ayase she
aza
ebogum tinja
say ya de rinsa abra say na kristo ni bi osofo bi evangelist bi last week Monday me ba Roman town say me ba bi preach me do kwa ho no osofo lie na my bi preach ho na speaker say odi preach no Robert asema ka na wonte
Jesus Christ
ade ni huna bo
so ko bia ba bi
ko say wa re one more than 74 times.
Say no repair.
Yes.
I'm a machine who cracked it.
Error. It must be collected.
It must be corrected.
Say I'm threatening. I'm an idea. Solomon, we say no. David, Nebani Solomon. David, Nebani Haggett. Haggett, my friend, sorry. Haggett here. Nebani friend, I don't know. Anna David, no so no. Solomon, ya okasa. No my friend, Bathsheba. Anna David, wale omu na. Anna David, kum. Solomon ne papa e friend Uriah ano o wale ne yira friend Bathsheba ano o say me de wo e be si hene da ati mi wu a Solomon abedi ma de afi David mui na Haggis na kasa akofa kire akobo pa nipa 52 according to 1 Kings chapter 1 unya da just study na wo kum nipa ade aye moja aya pam ne asoa adonaja awa apakan mu se ono ne o hene kase
ebra ne papa ti ase
won si ne hene o na de yade anokra katoro so se David ye se mi wuwa Solomon o ejan se mako o ma me kuru e fe no Uriah ntino ona wo beji ma de afi David ngui Solomon so de o tene ba bi wonu se o twa ma ne papa ye de awu se Haggett aya ne bade adonaja o ma fa kire akosi adonaja hene ti apakan ti ensase na wo keton disa
ebra Solomon be dia ne ti ase sikie twa fa ko
sile ho hene bet ne Solomon nim
ono so dia body di
yes
this error must be
a prophet Nathan ano fe se Bathsheba what way ere Haggett ne ba ene ja e dia de
no for na
ura fi se ukuru so David so obo se wo wumpa David ne ba Solomon ne ni ade wo wu yo ko se wo kura epena Haggett one ne ba ene ja ene e dia de it take a prophet ne be wetin na chill ni pa original ni no ikura no
sifatie. This error must be corrected.
And
it's a prophet.
Yes. So odi for bi antumi anche obua yobu a se sia rebel wa ya bank manager sana ya bono but se sia o cleaner o bank ho duplicate no we odi sia but onam fom and we say ana enko atete de bai aponko so yobu ma rebel de o tete obi se sika 2 million o so ma no sika o de ya adwuma no ya no ne dia ana ko di no ho
eso akosere
yes
because we don't duplicate original mu ho
ti o se wo se mi pada se wo se sika se wa ma wa o se ni trimu aden oni bi ya no duplicate the original one kasa no ho this error must be corrected. It Robert yo obu ma o se me na ma amafo se mi o sika pa o sika ya o bi but esan say ya daniama akoa bi na wo aka wo ya odesie no oba ya akoa Robert se si a ko bi ya big time contractor but and now on a new site or team water adane sa anya kokwa e tuntu say yes say original literature na o ba duplicate this error must be collected we see abaya bia o se obi a o wale awo mensa and so bama mpo ni na akwan mu. This error must be collected. We share by every power because o feature na buy ekura ko fa na buy ekura no 1 month mai and so no I can't say and sawa mpo onimu sawa. This error must be collected. And we baby I would say bibia when you daddy Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 5 to 7 study ni we must now on tiasie say adena collect ya fa say wa adwum say say me collect ya sa de we ya ene me nso kura ma kire kom ama na tete emfa me ho ade biela o say me di biela me de me ntrase a me ya odisi na me nante fam na o ma yan koa no e ka obi ya odisi a obi onum Kristo Bible say ya ne Yesu Kristo nyina bom e de be edi ade ti ya adisi ti ya ne Kristo fo no ya adisi ne ko say ya ho tie sa ne Yesu fo na o ma yan koa no o ma ya bone yan koa no o ma ye yimfa nsa ye ho me de me ntiase o so ka cha wo say me so me ntiase until say me originality na ye de bo me no e betumi abam nyame nshira amen Yesu di munti amen
that is